welcome to Bethy Marie. Today we are going to be making a delicious dinner, and I have my little helper here with me. She's gonna hang out today and help out a little bit. Susanna, what are we making? Susanna, what are we making? Making? What's this?
Corn.
Corn. We're making corn. So today we are actually going to be making grill packets that are so simple and easy to make, and I think you're going to love them just like my family does. All right. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is assemble our ingredients. In these grill packets, we use corn, bratwurst, whatever brand flavor you like, shrimp, and potatoes. So I'll kind of go through each step as we get to it. So the first thing that we're going to add to our bowl are potatoes. Susanna, what's in here? Potatoes. So these potatoes are russet potatoes. I cut them up and I boiled them just a little bit, not a lot. So they're still firm, but partially cooked. It helps the grilling process go a little bit more quickly. You can also use red skin potatoes, but this is what I had on hand. So this is what we're having tonight. Next is shrimp, and amounts are going to vary based on how many people you're feeding. So I used about 3 russet potatoes in here. I'm going to make 4 grill packets for 4 people. I have a half a bag of frozen shrimp. I think they're 1-pound bags. So these shrimp are thawed, and I'm just going to add them in to our bowl. And then I have 1 package of 5 links here of bratwurst, and you simply need to just cut them up and add them in as well. So I just cut them up into bite-sized pieces roughly, and you can add more or less based on your own personal taste preferences. Sausage. Can you help me put it in? We put some in the bowl. Good job. These are smoked bratwurst, so they add a little bit of a smoky flavor to the dish. And then the last thing I'm going to add is corn. I like to use cobs of corn. Are you eating some sausage, you little goofball? We'll take that one back out. So just a note, these are all pre-cooked. Don't put in raw sausage meat. It won't cook well enough on the grill in the packets. You need to have pre-cooked meat. The shrimp is also pre-cooked. So now we're going to cut up the corn. Here, you can eat it. It's fine. And I'm using corn cobs, and I'm just going to kind of cut them into chunks about this size. And I have a little bit to cut through here, and you could use like a can of corn if you prefer. Please don't eat the corn. It's not ready yet. So we'll go ahead and get all of that in the bowl here. All right, so we have our potatoes, our shrimp, our bratwurst, and our corn all in one large bowl. You're going to pour some melted butter over the top. Here I have 3/4 cup of melted butter, and I'm just going to sort of drizzle it all over. We love butter in this household, so we don't skimp on it. It's got butter. And then the last thing you need to add is some seasoning that you enjoy.
Corn.
You can have corn later. We're going to sprinkle on steak seasoning. You can make your own blend. You can buy some pre-blended stuff, but this is something that we love, and it tastes really good. It's got salt and pepper and a few other seasonings in it. So just sprinkle on some of your seasoning, and then go ahead and stir it all together. All of that butter coating everything, and the seasoning all mixed in well. I think I'm going to add a little more seasoning here. There, that should be enough. Okay, stir it up. Susanna, you want to help? You want to stir it? Okay, hold the spoon. Can you hold the spoon? Here we go, ready? Stir the corn. All done. Good job. Can you hit it on the bowl? Good job. The next thing that we are going to do is assemble our grill packets. I've ripped up 4 pieces of foil, approximately, 15 inches long, and we're simply going to put a quarter of the contents of this bowl into each packet and fold it up. So go ahead and watch while I do that. All right, so I'm going to ladle about 1/4 of the contents of the bowl onto each packet. I'm using a heavy-duty aluminum foil. You can also double up regular foil, but you definitely don't want it to rip or get punctured during the grilling process, because then all of your delicious butter is going to leak out, and that would make a mess of the grill also. So here we have 1 packet, and all I do is bring the sides up, fold them, and then bring the ends over just like that. And that's ready to go on the grill. So we'll go ahead and do this to all 4 packets, and then I'll meet you outside at the grill. Here are our grill packets ready to go. I have the grill set at a medium heat, and I'm just going to set them on. And we're going to leave those on for a total of about 40 minutes. But it's good to come and rotate them every so often in case you have any hot spots in your grill. And you can take them off sooner if you like, but we like to go about 40 minutes because it allows the sausages to really get almost brown, caramelized a little bit, the corn as well, and nice and crispy, buttery crust. It's delicious, yummy goodness that I think you'll enjoy as well. See you when we're done. All right, well, I just pulled these grill packets off the grill. They were on for about 45 minutes, and I think you're gonna like what's inside. All right, take a look at that. We've got a little bit of brown caramelization going on underneath, and everything is hot and steamy, and it looks delicious. So normally the way I serve this is right on top of a plate. You can eat it off your plate like that. Easy cleanup meal, and everybody in our family loves it. Well, thanks for joining me for this episode of Bethy Marie as we made our delicious grill packets. I'll go ahead and put the ingredients in the description below this video. Please make sure you subscribe. I would appreciate that. Likes, comments, I'd love it all. Looking forward to seeing you next time, and I hope that you make this and enjoy it yourselves as well. Goodbye. All right, dinner time, boys.